If you're outgrowing who you've been, you're right on schedule. Keep evolving. Today, I no longer live in the consciousness that I used to, one where I identified as a victim who is stuck, powerless, and purposeless. The process I share in this book led to the reconfiguration of my entire life, my physical health, even reconfiguring my appearance. As I reflect on my journey and the experiences I've had with trauma, despair, domestic violence, emotional pain, heartbreak, a limited mindset, toxic relationships, and the sticky places I've been in and out of, I send myself love, not judgment. I do so because at the time of those experiences, I didn't know about vibration. It was there all along, as it is in us all, but I wasn't at a place where I could recognize it within myself.